What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an online sales tactic that lets a product owner increase sales by allowing others targeting the same audience, affiliates, to earn a commission by recommending the product to others. At the same time, it makes it possible for affiliates to earn money on product sales without creating products of their own. Simply put, affiliate marketing involves referring a product or service by sharing it on a blog, social media platforms, or website. The affiliate earns a commission each time someone makes a purchase through the unique link associated with their recommendation. Done well, this performance based opportunity can become an important part of your business by netting you a healthy income. How does affiliate marketing work? To participate in an affiliate marketing program, you'll need to take these 5 simple steps. Find and join an affiliate program. Choose which offers to promote. Obtain a unique affiliate link for each offer. Share those links on your blog, social media platforms, or website. Collect a commission anytime someone uses your links to make a purchase. Commission rates vary dramatically depending on the company and the offer. On the low end, you earn about 5% of the sale, but with some arrangements, you can earn as much as 50%. Usually, when promoting a class or event, there are also affiliate marketing programs that provide a flat rate per sale instead of a percentage. Benefits of the affiliate marketing model. Affiliate marketing offers several benefits to affiliates, i.e., you, one of which is its ease. Your side of the equation simply involves handling the marketing side of building and selling a product, educating customers. You don't have to worry about the harder tasks like developing, supporting, or fulfilling the offer. Affiliate marketing is low risk. Since there's no cost to join affiliate programs, you can start making money with an established affiliate product or service without any upfront investment. Affiliate marketing also can generate relatively passive income through commission, the ideal money making scenario. Though initially you'll have to invest time creating traffic sources, your affiliate links can continue to deliver a steady paycheck. Successful affiliate marketing offers the potential to significantly scale your earnings without hiring extra help. You can introduce new products to your current audience and build campaigns for additional products while your existing work continues to generate revenue in the background. Before you get too excited, know that great affiliate marketing is built on trust. While seemingly there are an endless number of products or services to promote, it's best to only highlight those you personally use or would recommend. Even when a product interests you or fits within an existing hobby, becoming a great marketer for that product takes a lot of work. How to find affiliate programs. If you're wondering how to get your feet wet in affiliate marketing, you've got a few options. Not every company offers affiliate programs. Some businesses manage their own affiliate programs while others use an affiliate network. An easy way to find affiliate programs is to visit an affiliate marketplace or platform. Browse your niche to find top performing affiliate platforms. Here are some of the most popular. As we mentioned earlier, affiliate marketing revenue eventually can become a form of passive income, but you still have to do some heavy lifting up front. The success of your program will depend on the quality of your review. To create a good review, it's best to get personal. Share your experience in your blog, social media post, or video. If you're writing a personal review, give a candid opinion based on your experience with and knowledge of the product. The more open you are, the more authentic you will be. People will be more comfortable following your advice if they feel they can trust you. Trust is a key factor in your affiliate marketing efforts because people need to trust you enough to act on your recommendations. The level of trust you will need to make affiliate sales depends on your industry and the products you're recommending. For example, it takes more trust to be an effective affiliate or a $1,000 course than it does for a $20 t-shirt. Your first affiliate program as you brainstorm products or browse through affiliate platforms. The most important criteria to keep in mind is that the product should be aligned with your audience or the audience you hope to build. Ask yourself, is it something your target audience would find valuable? Does it fit with your area of expertise? A food blogger probably wouldn't promote beauty products, for example. A wide range of other products would make more sense, such as cookware, meal kits, gourmet ingredients, or even aprons. Also, make sure the product or service you're promoting is a fit for the platform you're promoting it on. For example, home decor and clothing are well suited to image heavy platforms like Instagram. However, if you're promoting more in depth purchases like software, your review may convert better on longer form platforms like a blog or YouTube.